If you are going to give me money, then I'm going to give you my number.
No need your number
Oh.
because I have so many girlfriends.
What? Oh, I
Yes.
see. Hi. Where are you?
I'm from Bangladesh and you?
Where?
Bangladesh and you?
Where is that?
Do you have any idea about South Asia?
I said, yeah.
Okay, where are you from?
Me, I'm from the Philippines.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can you please stop the music because some music is playing in your
Oh,
side.
yes.
I can't hear you
Oh,
very
okay, I'm
clear.
sorry.
Okay. I met so many Filipino girl in here.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay. I am new here.
you're new. You're new.
Yeah, I'm new here.
What's your name?
My name is Dot. You can call me Dot.
Dad. Your name is
Yeah,
Dad.
Dot.
Oh, Dad.
Uh,
Oh, Dad. Nice to meet you, Dad.
how about you? What are you doing here in B?
Nothing. I'm here just for meet new people and talk with strangers like you. And I'm practicing English here.
Oh,
So how about you? Why are you here?
I'm here in B2, of course, to earn some money.
Oh, money.
Yeah, money, of
Okay,
course.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Oh, you like 19 years old? You like young people?
No,
Young teenager? Hindi pa.
you're looking so young and so beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, Dad.
Sorry.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Can I call you
Good.
Papa? Can I call you Papa?
What?
Be-
Can you call what?
Your name is Dad, right?
Yeah.
So can I call you Papa?
What is that?
Dad means father, and Papa means father. Which part do you live in Philippines? Do you live in Manila or other side?
Oh, how did you know the Manila? You been there? MJ, OMG. You been there?
What do you do for yourself? I thought you were a college student.
No, I'm not.
Are you singer? Can you sing a song? Are you singer?
Yeah. I am.
Okay.
Why?
Can you sing a song?
Why you ask? I cannot sing. I don't know how to sing.
But
I don't have any talent.
okay, but you said you are singer. Hey Dad, do you have any boyfriend?
I don't.
Okay, I'm here just looking for a girlfriend.
Oh, you're here. Oh, but I'm not the right, you know.
I think you are the right person for me.
No, I'm. Why?
How I'm looking with these glasses.
I don't like your glasses.
If I change my glasses, will you make me your boyfriend?
No, my name is Princess.
You are
Princess.
you are my princess. You are my princess, okay?
You're so ano. If you are going to give me money, then I'm going to give you my number.
No need your number because I have so many girlfriends.
What? Oh, I
Yes.
see. You have. Then why are you asking me if you don't need it?
Because I like you.
You like me.
Because your lips is so sweet.
Oh, I see. But I have to say goodbye.
Okay.
Yeah.
I also
It's
have to
nice
say
to meet
goodbye.
you.
Okay, bye. See you.
Have a nice night. See you.